This video contains unboxing, first look and initial startup of DJI Osmo Mobile SE.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last. And to
Follow the arrow direction to make the mobile or smartphone upright during startup. Make sure the magnetic holder is at the center of gravity of the smartphone to balance. Bluetooth connection. The yellow light means the gimbal is not yet connected to the smartphone via Bluetooth connection. It turns green when connected. Download DJI Mimo from Google Play Store to enjoy other features of DJI Gimbal Stabilizer. You can start using DJI Osmo Mobile SE by using tutorial on the DJI Mimo apps.
I'm saving every